Come test drive this 2007 Dodge Caliber. This 4-door, 5-passenger hatchback provides exceptional value. Under the hood, you'll find a 4-cylinder engine with more than 170 horsepower, providing a smooth and predictable driving experience. All-wheel drive maintains traction at all 4 corners. Dodge infused the interior with top-shelf amenities such as delay-off headlights, a rear window wiper, remote keyless entry, and power windows. Storage solutions are integrated throughout the interior, demonstrating thoughtful attention to detail. Side curtain airbags deploy in extreme circumstances, shielding you and your passengers from collision forces. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.